The Laser Tool's 8644 ultra-thin, flexible, diamond-coated files are an exceptional toolset designed for intricate cleaning and detailing work on electrical connectors, terminals, and contacts. These files are crafted from durable steel and feature a coating of fine diamonds to provide a superior abrasive surface, making them perfect for removing corrosion or debris from metal surfaces. The set includes 3 files of varying widths, 6mm, 9mm, and 15mm, each designed to navigate tight spaces with ease. Their flexibility allows for precise control and access to confined areas, ensuring thorough cleaning. The ergonomic soft grip handles offer comfort during extended use, and the inclusion of a hanging hole on each handle simplifies storage. This combination of durability, precision, and ease of use makes the Laser Tool's 8644 set a valuable asset for professionals and hobbyists alike, ensuring clean, reliable electrical connections and polished finishes on a variety of projects. The Spanesi Flash is an innovative portable pulling system designed for the automotive repair industry, offering a versatile solution for tasks such as dent pulling, minor frame straightening, door and hood alignments, and hail damage repairs. Utilizing a vacuum seal for ground anchoring, it boasts up to 550 pounds of pulling force, making it suitable for challenging repairs. Its lightweight design enhances portability, while its single operator, quick setup feature ensures efficiency in busy body shops and collision centers. The system's robust construction from high-quality materials, combined with its power and ease of use, positions the Spanesi Flash as an indispensable tool for professionals seeking a reliable and effective solution for smart automotive repairs. The Mecca 24 1.5-ton tilting bridge represents a highly versatile and efficient solution for a range of lifting and positioning tasks, designed to handle loads up to 1.5 tons. Its ability to tilt between 0 to 45 degrees enhances its flexibility, allowing for precise adjustments during operations. Equipped with 4 swivel casters, it ensures smooth maneuverability across different surfaces. For added safety, it includes a safety pin to prevent accidental tipping, alongside a support plate that features a non-slip adjustable rubber pad to secure loads effectively. This makes the Mecca 24 tilting bridge an indispensable tool for professionals seeking reliable, durable, and user-friendly equipment for their lifting needs. The TROLLEY IW1 stands out as an essential ergonomic tool for professionals and DIY enthusiasts working with HGV impact wrenches, designed to alleviate the physical demands of operating heavy tools. Its robust steel frame supports up to 20 kilograms, while the padded seat and adjustable arm ensure user comfort and adaptability to various working positions. Additionally, it features 2 compartments for tool and accessory storage, enhancing organization and efficiency. This tool trolley not only reduces fatigue and injury risk by absorbing the wrench's weight and vibrations, but also boosts productivity in truck and bus maintenance tasks, making it a valuable asset in any mechanical workshop or home garage. The Laser PowerTech Soft Edge Masking Tape Dispenser is an innovative tool designed for professional and DIY painters alike, streamlining the masking process with its ability to create a soft edge on masking tape. This feature is crucial for avoiding hard tape lines and excessive paint buildup, facilitating a smoother blend with the surrounding area using a cutting compound. The dispenser is versatile, equipped for in-situ use with a handle, and also includes mounting points and fixings for bench or wall installation in a workshop setting. Its sharp, serrated blade ensures that the tape can be cut to the desired length with ease, enhancing efficiency and precision in paint jobs. This dispenser not only saves time and materials, but also significantly improves the quality of paint finishes. The TG80 tire grooving station is an essential tool for truck maintenance, designed to handle tires from 15 inches to 24.5 inches in diameter with a robust 1 HP electric hydraulic system. This versatile machine comes with a groover attachment that supports 6 different blade widths, making it suitable for regrooving a wide range of truck tires. With features like variable rotation speed and a foot valve-operated quick-adjust hydraulic chuck, it streamlines the regrooving process, extending tire life by up to 25%, improving traction by channeling water more effectively, and reducing fuel consumption due to lower rolling resistance. Additionally, it offers an environmentally friendly solution by prolonging tire use and decreasing waste, making it a cost-effective, performance-enhancing, and eco-conscious investment for truck owners and operators. The Beta 1950 BZK by Beta Tools is a premium tire bead seater designed to efficiently seat the bead of a tire onto the rim, a crucial step in tire installation. Crafted with the use of advanced technologies, this tool stands out for its quality and reliability. It is readily available for purchase through various online platforms, including the official Beta Tools website and Mr. Worker, ensuring easy accessibility for potential buyers. Customer feedback online is overwhelmingly positive, highlighting satisfaction with its performance and durability. For those in need of a dependable tire bead seater, the Beta 1950 BZK comes highly recommended, though as with any purchase, it's wise to consult reviews and compare prices to ensure it meets your specific needs and budget. The PowerTech 92476 Infra-Red paint drying lamp is a top-tier tool tailored for professionals in body shops, paint shops, and various industrial settings, facilitating rapid drying of paint, primers, fillers, and adhesives. This lamp boasts a robust output of 3,000 watts, powered by 3 adjustable 1,000-watt quartz halogen lamps, allowing precise heat direction for optimal drying efficiency. Additionally, it incorporates a convenient timer feature capable of being set for up to 30 minutes, offering a hands-off approach to drying tasks. Constructed from durable materials and bearing CE certification, the PowerTech 92476 assures both longevity and compliance with safety standards, making it an indispensable asset for achieving superior finishing results in professional paint applications. Seal Protection Soft MWM is an innovative masking tape specifically crafted to safeguard rubber seals around vehicle pillars during the painting process. Its soft, flexible nature ensures it can be easily applied to any rubber surface, providing a tight seal against paint and chemical splatter. This product stands out for its ability to resist damage from paint and various chemicals, ensuring the underlying rubber seals remain intact and unaffected. The ease of application and removal of the tape streamlines the preparation phase, significantly reducing the risk of leaving any sticky residue that could mar the appearance or integrity of the rubber seals. By using Seal Protection Soft, MWM, professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike can save considerable time and expense, avoiding the need for costly cleanup or replacement of damaged seals post-painting, thus ensuring a cleaner, more efficient painting process. The NUMERO 5 XPLATE, developed by MWM for car body repair systems, is pivotal for enhancing the stability and efficacy of the NUMERO 5 pulling tower during repair operations. This innovative pneumatic depression plate ensures the tower remains steadfastly anchored, crucial for precise horizontal pulls. Capable of counterbalancing forces up to 550 kilograms, it's designed for the most demanding tasks. Its anti-slip feature, thanks to a vulcanized rubber pad, guarantees a firm grip across surfaces, enhancing safety and operational efficiency. User-friendly, the XPLATE simplifies setup and usage, making it accessible to various skill levels. Crafted from durable materials, it stands as a testament to MWM's dedication to quality and durability in automotive repair technology, underscoring its role as an indispensable tool in modern collision repair workshops. Thank you for watching this video on top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.